On April 2, 307, Theodosia of Tyre was seized, tortured, and thrown into the sea for refusing to recant her Christian faith. This martyrdom highlights early Christian persecution under Roman rule, reflecting the challenges faced by believers in the pre-Constantinian era. On April 2, 742, Charlemagne was born and later crowned Holy Roman Emperor by the Pope, influencing church affairs and Christianizing Europe. The Second Lateran Council, opened by Pope Innocent II in 1139, addressed significant church abuses, marking a pivotal moment in medieval reform. The consecration of Edmund of Abingdon as Archbishop of Canterbury in 1234, spending years wrestling with corrupt King Henry III. On April 2, 1524, Ulrich Zwingli, a Swiss reformer, married Anna Meyer, marking his break from Catholic priesthood. This event marked his break from Catholic priesthood and his commitment to Reformation principles, significant for the Swiss Reformation and the development of Protestantism in Zurich. On April 2, 1739, John Wesley first preached in the open air to miners at Kingswood, England, freeing him from dependence on Church of England pulpits. This event was pivotal for Methodism, enabling its spread outside traditional church structures, a key development in Protestant evangelicalism. The death of Radhanath Das, a Hindu convert to Christianity in 1844, known for education and evangelism, is also Christian, as is the death of Samuel Zwemer, a missionary to Muslims in 1952. On April 2, 1914, 300 Pentecostals met at the Grand Opera House in Hot Springs, Arkansas, for a 10-day conference, birthing the Assemblies of God. This event marked the formation of Pentecostalism's largest denomination, significant for 20th century Protestant growth, particularly in evangelical and charismatic movements. 2 Corinthians 5:21. He made Christ who knew no sin to judicially be sin on our behalf, so that in him we would become the righteousness of God, that is, we would be made acceptable to him and placed in a right relationship with him by his gracious loving kindness. God bless you in Jesus Christ today.